Hello everybody. Today I'm at IKEA with my family. So I'm gonna get you some cool rooms and like stuff. But wait, watch until the end of the video. The last one is so epic that the beds explode in your mind. Okay, we have this first one. Oh my gosh. This looks so good with like the dining table. Look at these like glasses. Sofa. Oh my god, $6.99. How does it feel, Mom?
Not as comfortable as the last one.
Okay. The second one is this one. Still blood, but it's kind of posh. Some big restrooms. Hey Mom, I want you to sit on this chair.
Really?
I want you to see how comfortable it is.
Oh, the seat's like really
How does it feel?
That's alright, yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh yeah, then I forgot there's 42 inches of a TV. That's pretty long. Third one was this one. So, hey, Mom, come back.